Sunflowers are annual dicotyledonous herbaceous plants usually found in grasslands where seasonal changes are sharp, precipitation averages from 30 to 100 centimeters, and temperature averages from -10 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius.
As germination begins, the hormone gibberellin starts building up within the dormant seed, signaling the seed that the right circumstances are due. Daily water uptake activates various enzymes which allow biochemical processes such as cellular respiration to take place. The water absorbed causes the seed to swell, cracking the seed coat surrounding the embryo and allowing the seedling to start growing. The growing tip of the radicle, made of meristematic tissue, produces roots that anchor the seedling to its surroundings. Then the hypocotyl elongates, forming a young sprout which pushes out of the soil. The cotyledons attached to the hypocotyl push over the surface of the soil, giving way to the development of the first leaves of the plant.
The development of the first leaves of the plant allows it to photosynthesize and start building up the conditions needed for primary growth to take place. Meanwhile, mitosis in the apical meristem, or the tip of the stem, produces cells that enable the stem to grow longer and give rise to leaves. The production of axons in the tip of the plant suppresses the growth of side buds and promotes apical dominance. Also, the characteristic movement of axons from the tip of the stem towards the roots develops the root system, enabling the plant to absorb more nutrients to get propelled in primary growth.
Under certain circumstances, such as changes in day length, temperature fluctuations, or the maturity of the plant, the production of gibberellins will be triggered, signaling the plant that the production of flowers is due. At such hormone buildup, the apical meristem is converted into a flower bud, which then develops into a flower. The conversion of apical meristem to a flower bud uses all of the meristematic tissue so that no further growth of the stem can occur at that point. Once the flower blooms, the plant has completed its growing stage and prepares for the beginning of its reproductive stage.
During the reproductive stage, the plant will create physical and chemical factors such as vivid colorations to attract the attention of pollinators and assure fertilization. Once fertilization has occurred, the new seeds start developing within the flowers of the composed flower head, where they will await for wind or animals for dispersal. Meanwhile, the end of the sunflower is ensured and seen by the senescence and death of the plant.